We were used to having really nice, well-manicured beaches, a lot of shorebirds, a lot of fish, and in the right season you might even see shrimp up near the shore. After the oil spill, there's a lot of tar balls on the beach. Every once in a while you might see an impacted bird or something like that. NRDA it's the natural resource damage assessment after a disaster. The trustees for that event go out and try to assess the damage to figure out how we're going to make the public and the environment whole again based on that damage that happened from, say, the oil spill. I'm Troy Pierce. I'm the chief scientist with the EPA Gulf of Mexico division. I'm the EPA trustee representative for the Deepwater Horizon oil spill for the Mississippi Trustee Implementation Group. I also work on the oil spill work related to helping with Gulf sturgeon projects and also oyster-related projects across the Gulf. So when I was a little kid, I can remember someone came to our school. We must have been first grade, second grade, and they brought EPA posters and gave us the messages about protecting the environment and just being so excited about the environment as a young kid, because we hunt and fished and we just love being outdoors. And so it was exciting to hear somebody come out, hey, we're protecting the outdoors, right? So I don't know if that was always kind of in the back of my mind a little bit, but when I finished graduate school and I started applying for jobs, I applied for several different EPA positions. And in 1998, it was exciting. I got a job offer from the Atlanta EPA office to work on pesticide issues. And then after that, there was a position open at the Gulf of Mexico program. The Pascagoula River is like one of the great rivers that's not dammed. It has incredible habitat all along its reaches. All water flows downstream, right? So this water that we have up here, if we have high quality water coming out of the Pascagoula River system into the Gulf, then that estuary in the Mississippi Sound is going to be much healthier. What's really nice about this Upper Pascagoula Water Quality Enhancement Project for the Mississippi Trustee Group is we've kind of got the perfect partnership. So we've got USDA and NRCS working with landowners to reduce nutrient and erosion on their farms and ranches. We've got the monitoring component to try to see, can we show results in stream? And then we've got the great partnership with our trustee partner at the Mississippi Department of Environmental Quality to do all the data analysis and QA the data. And then we come back together as a team and see how we're doing on the project and also how we can make the project better going forward. Seeing the projects come to fruition and protecting lands, it just makes me feel so happy because it's like what you dream about, Say, I'm gonna go work at the Environmental Protection Agency, and it's kind of like, this is exactly what I thought I would be doing, is protecting the natural resources for people and for the ecosystem.